This is how you convert our big easy sticks to different sizes. These are the tools required for this process. For a sign shorter than 5 feet, cut at the appropriate marking using an angle grinder or similar tool. Cut the wires and cover the ends with silicone adhesive. Screw the cap on the end, install, and connect the power supply to enjoy. For a sign longer than 5 feet, you will also cut at the marking, cut the wires, and cover them with silicone adhesive. Use the connector to join a 5-foot stick with the newly cut stick. Join the connections. Then screw the cap on the end and connect a power supply. And just like that, your sign looks brand new. You can also connect an L bracket for easy mounting.